accidentally licked them.
Ah.
So we weren't very aware of where they were.
Wait. What? Which one is this?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola Zero.
And we're going to try to put 5 minutes in. So let's see how this goes.
No! That was a good one.
Okay.
Okay.
That was a fun one right there.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so this is Coca-Cola Cherry. I've heard this one is a really good one, so we're about to try it. Let me just line mine up so I don't this up this time. Like I did last time.
There we go. Ah!
Oh man!
Oh, that one's not as good as the other
Rip
one.
off! Well, that was a disappointment.
Yeah.
I was gonna go like
Way high.
last time.
Which one do you think was of yours was the highest one?
I think that the Coca-Cola Zero was the best one. 'Cause
Yeah.
That one went to about right here in the Coke one over here.
Yeah.
And that one was just sad, really joke.
Okay, that one was very sad. Okay.
But
All right.
no,
Thank you.
so yeah, we're just gonna put.
You gonna try it again?
Yeah.
How
How about we
about-
just put the rest
Okay,
of them
just put 'em in.
inside there?
Watch your face. I guess it doesn't work after it's done once. It's bubbling a lot,
Really?
but nothing's really happening.
Watch.
Okay, guys, are you done?
Hey, no. Revive some of the soda.
Ashley, it didn't work the first time.
Wait.
Okay, that didn't work.
Well, that was
Stevie's gonna try to put it in.
Okay, so we are
You
going
could try.
to end the show.
Just let him put it in. Let him put it in. Let him try. No, let him try. It was his idea.
Don't pour all of it. The whole point is to pour.
Yeah, just let him try, Ashley.
So then what's the point of pouring them in cups?
Well, to get a little out. But now there's a bunch out. Stop. Okay. So it's still recording.
In a couple of minutes so I can take this out.
It's still recording your argument.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go so I can punch him right now.
No. 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 Hi, Daddy. Hey.
What are you doing?
Well, they just did their experiment.
work?
Yeah. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Uh,